Okay, so welcome Rahul Gandhi and welcome Narendra Modi for the studio. So the rules of the interview is I am going to ask you 5 questions each. Please
I am
answer.
not so attracted to Modi. He is
No, if one of okay.
Rahul.
So Rahul.
राहुल गांधी आप गलत कर रहे हैं. आप इंटरव्यू शुरू कीजिए.
Okay.
हिंदी ना सुने तो अच्छा होगा.
Okay.
Why did you show that BJP symbol there? Why did you do that? नहीं चिल्ला रहे हैं.
Please calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
शांति से.
Okay, so Rahul ji.
You talk in
What
English.
you are in government from last 10 years. You are in government from last 10 years.
Yes.
What have you done to the Indian people and why you need to be elected back?
See, I want to tell you. I want to give all. I want to make the villages more. The ground will be more firmly. They have to not grow feet. See, they are working for the whole India, all the states, not the single state.
What have you done up till now?
राहुल जी, आप थोड़ा गलत जा रहे हैं. मैं इसका उत्तर बताता हूँ. इन्होंने ज़्यादा कुछ भी किया. बस इस कंट्री का यानी बस इस देश का सत्यानाश किया है. अब महाराष्ट्र में जाके सड़क पे देखिए, इधर देखिए, टोल लेते हैं 60-70 रुपए.
Okay, so आपकी बारी आएगी. Hold on.
I want to
Narendra
speak
Modi.
something. Please, both of you, please calm down. I want to speak something. See, Modi is just trying to become the Prime Minister. He doesn't want to help. He must know the meaning of what a Prime Minister is. I will tell the characteristics. First is, he must give freedom to all people. He must not trouble. He must take care of our country. Ask him how he will do it, please.
Okay, yes, Mr. Modi. How will you take care of your
राहुल
people?
जी गलत कह रहे थे. जैसे उन्होंने बहुत ख्याल रखा. आप गुजरात में जाके देख लीजिए, सस्ते टोल 30-40 रुपए के रखता हूँ. और फिर सड़क इतनी अच्छी है. इनको देख लीजिए, यही लोगों को परेशान करते तो ये पीएम कैसे बन सकते हैं? इनके आदमी मनमोहन सिंह भी इतने अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं करे. आप जाके गुजरात में देखिए, मेरी सरकार सबको बोलिए अब की बार मोदी सरकार.
Okay.
हम आपकी बात सुनेंगे.
No. I will be asking questions.
Listen to me.
Okay.
First listen to me. I want to be Rahul Gandhi.
No.
I want to
No,
talk
both of you listen to me.
Gandhi. I want to talk to Mr. Gandhi.
No. Listen.
Mr. Gandhi. But let me talk.
No. Both of you will not talk. Okay, Rahul Gandhi. Rahul. Okay, so Rahul Gandhi.
Please speak
How
in
is-
Navaratna now in my head.
Did Manmohan Singh was a good prime minister?
Listen, I want to talk to Modi.
No.
Please.
You have to talk to me. No. I am asking you a question.
Gandhi.
I am asking you a
Talk to
question.
him, Mr. Rahul.
No. Was Manmohan Singh a good prime minister?
He did everything, but I want to ask Modi, please be quiet.
No. You answer me. Was Manmohan Singh a good prime minister?
Yes, he was the prime minister, but I think that he did a lot of mistakes, like my grandmother Indira Gandhi. She and my grandfather. But here Shashi Tharoor and Shurata Pushkar, like me only. I know Indira Gandhi passed away first. So like this is the life between Shashi Tharoor and Shurata Pushkar. So I am telling you that Modi must know that even if India is attacked by some other country. Rahul ji,
Okay.
हमने इस देश के बारे में पूछा है.
नमो जी, आपको एक प्रश्न है. So if you become a prime minister, no, I'm asking
आप
you.
शांत रखिए.
No,
Like
no.
palm.
You can see your palm. Okay. So
That
if
is
you
the sign
become,
of my party.
listen,
Zodiac sign का
I'm asking him a question.
है क्या यहाँ पे?
Listen.
Zodiac sign का खेल नहीं.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी सुनिए. If you become prime minister, will you take Rahul Gandhi as the deputy prime minister?
No, never. I how much he has taken money from people, I'll give them extra money back to the people and kick him out of the country, and I'll send him to jail. Otherwise, I'll send him